Welcome back to Tuesday calendar. Let's check it out. It is Tuesday, March the 23rd today. It is March 23rd. It is Tuesday. Ooh, do we remember that Tuesday? Tuesday. What does that spell? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Start with that uppercase T. Today is Tuesday. Okay, I'm going to write some time on my digital clock today. On my digital clock, it is this time. Are you ready? Take a look at my digital clock. Can you show this time on your analog clock? How would we show this time on an analog clock? Think about what the hour and the minutes tell me and how I would show it on my analog clock. Did you start with your minute hand at the 12 and your hour hand at the 5 to show 5 o'clock? That digital clock was saying 5 o'clock. Here it is on our big analog clock. 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. It is almost 5 o'clock here at school while Miss G's working. But it was 5 o'clock on our digital clock there. Okay, let's check out our number today. Ooh, I see our number is 74. 74. Another one of those sight words. Some of those number words are sight words, aren't they? 74. I see it's still a 2-digit number. Think about our 2-digit numbers. They tell us how many tens and how many ones are in that number when we use our place value. So when I look at that number, what do you see? How many tens? How many ones? How many tens? How many ones? Did you say there were 7 tens and 4 ones? 74 does have 7 tens. 4 ones. Okay, so what does that look like with our base 10 blocks? 7 tens and 4 ones. Do you think you know what that looks like? Give you about 5 more seconds. See if you can show it. You ready? Did you have 7 big lines? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 4 more. That is how we show it with our base 10 blocks. So 74 is our 70, right? 70, we just counted 70. Expanded form plus our 4 more. 70 plus 4 is our 74. So 74 is our number. What's 1 less? It's like taking away ones, right? We're talking about the ones. If I take 1 away, then I have 73. Right? If I think about those ones, 3, 4, this one should have 5, and I still have my 7 tens, so it is 75 is 1 more. 73, 74, 75. Now if I think about my tens, right, if I take away a 10, then I have 6 tens. I still have my 4 ones, so 10 less is my 64. 10 more is like adding another 10. What would that be? 8 tens. Good. 8 tens and 4 ones. 64, 74, 84, right? The tens number gets bigger each time, but we have to count by 10 more, not just by 1 more, right? Do you see that pattern? There are all kinds of patterns on our 120 chart. You just gotta find them. They're so cool. Okay, yesterday we had 110. We had 100, 2 tens, and 5 ones. So we were in school for 125. We're going to add 1 more. Remember, we put it with the ones. We know 5 and 1 more. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Good. 6. So now we should have 6 ones. We do. We have 6 ones. We still have our 2 tens and our 100. So whenever we think about that, we have our 100. Then if we think about those tens and ones, we say that number as 26. So it is 126, or the 126th day. Getting too smart for me. Okay, it is the 126, which means we need to add 1 more. 5. 1 more will give us 6. Looks like we need this beetle bug. I don't know what he's called. Just looks like a colorful beetle. Okay. We're buggy in March. Let's check it out. Today, our piggy bank would like 82 cents. 82 cents. If I want to start with the least amount of coins, then I probably should start with my quarter, right? Quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Right, we want our quarters. How many quarters could we use? 2 quarters gives us 50 cents. What does a third quarter give me? 75. Is that more or less than 82? Less, so we're still good. We can use 3 quarters, so 75. Ooh, what would get us to 80? 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 85 cents. What's that? Nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So now we have 80. What do I need to get 82? 2 pennies. Very good. 2 pennies. This would be our least amount of coins, right? I could break this quarter apart into what would make 25. 2 dimes, 10, 20, and 1 more nickel. So I could take 1 quarter away, put up 2 dimes and the nickel. So we could have 2 quarters, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, 2 pennies. 2 of each coin gives us 82. That's a fun way to do it, having 2 of each coin. I could trade 2 nickels for 1 dime. Okay. So now I could have 2 quarters, 3 dimes, and 2 pennies. What could I trade out 2 quarters for? If I want to use just dimes, I could trade them out for 5 dimes, right? 50 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. That would be showing it with our tens, dimes, and ones, pennies, right? Like our place value. Great job. I'll see you tomorrow for Wednesday's calendar.